Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can link Cash App to your PayPal account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So there isn't a direct way of linking your Cash App to your PayPal account. However, there are some alternatives which you can give it a try. I'll make sure to make these steps as easy as possible. So then make sure to stick with us till the end. So then the first alternative in order to link your Cash App to your PayPal account, or in order to transfer money from your PayPal to your Cash App, what you can do is you can link the same bank account to your Cash App as well as to your PayPal account. As you link the same bank account to your Cash App as well as to your PayPal account, you can transfer the amount from PayPal to your bank account, and after that from the bank account you can transfer it to your Cash App account. So that is how it works. And the other alternative, what you need to do is log in into your PayPal account, and as you're logged into your account, click on the wallet tab in the top right, and after that you'll be directed to the page where you'll be able to see all the bank account that is linked to your PayPal account. So right on this page you need to click on link a credit card, and a reminder, while doing this method make sure that you have a cash card of your Cash App, otherwise you'll not be able to follow the steps. And after that you'll be directed to the page where you need to provide the account detail. On this page you need to provide the cash card detail. So right over here you need to provide the account number and then the name that is on the cash card, and once you do that, tap on agree and link, and after you link your cash card to your PayPal account, so within 2 to 3 days you should be receiving a small deposit amount in order to verify. So if you receive the deposit amount, after that you need to enter it right over here, or you need to paste in, and after that you need to tap on OK. Once you do that, you have successfully verified as well as linked your Cash App to your PayPal account. And after that you can directly transfer your amount from PayPal to your Cash App or from Cash App to your PayPal account. And those were the alternative on how you can add Cash App to your PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.